My name is Susan Chu, and I work as a clinic manager over at the Budge Clinic here in Logan, Utah. The history of the concept for the new clinic arose from a discussion about how might we do things better. And so I got online and Googled and started looking at different clinics throughout the country to see what were the new ideas out there and what were people doing that was innovative. And from that arose a concept that moved us from what we're doing now to something that's quite different. What we've got behind us is an actual exam room. We looked at a concept that, again, created better efficiency and better workflow and got buy-in from physicians and staff on that, and then said, look, let's take that concept and mock up that space so people can actually step inside and say, does this work and is it an improvement? So the room over there actually mimics exactly what we're going to build for each of the different clinics that we have. The decision makers as it relates to the actual concept itself, it was really a team that was created with physicians. We had a steering committee, and they worked with administration on what it might look like. So from there, it was rolled out to physician groups, and really they've driven and made decisions as it relates to what we're going to have and what we're going to do. Participants today have been physicians, clinical staff. We've had people here from strategic planning. We've also had the architect on site here. And so it becomes a group really of the team that's going to use the space, talking about what's the best way to lay things out inside the room. We worked with a contractor here locally who we've done lots of projects with, and he was tasked with finding an actual warehouse in which we could put this together, and then we gave him all the specs in terms of the products that we wanted inside the room as well as the room itself. And it took him probably 2 to 3 days to put together the room, and then the product inside the room, some of the things we brought over and other things we had him build, the shelving, the cupboards, the sinks, those kinds of things he put together for us, and then we've used them as we needed. Really what we hope to accomplish, it's twofold. One, the design inside the room has got to be the best possible for good workflow that works with each specialty. So it's really what's ideal for them. The only caveat was everyone agreed to have it exactly the same. So we didn't design one set of rooms for this doctor and another set of rooms for another doctor. They agreed that every room would be identical. So that was a great big standardization win. The other thing that's happening here is, in terms of efficiency, we've located staff and physicians literally just steps outside the exam room door. So we're going to see much, much greater efficiency, better patient flow, and we think much better patient service because of that. We've had 4 groups of physicians in, 4 different practices come in and take a look at this space, and the thinking has been really exciting to watch. And it's been also really fun to watch collaboration between physicians and discussion about what are you doing and why is that the way we want to go. You've just seen many minds coming together, creating a better outcome for everybody, and that's exciting to see. We've also seen physicians and staff really engaged in thinking about doing things better and doing things differently. So the project has been amazing and really, really satisfying.